Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to import Excel data into SQL Server without using SSIS. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server Development, performance tuning, Power BI DAX and integration services. Now I'll try to understand today's video. So for example, so this is the Excel file. So in this Excel file I have three sheets. One is orders, returns of people. Okay, so I have three sheets of data. So what is my requirement is I want to import this data into in SQL Server database without using SSIS, SQL Server integration services. How to do that? We'll try to see that. So I am opening SQL Server Management Studio. So right click database. So whatever the database you want to import that data into, so we have to select that database. For example, I am using Gateway DB. So right click on task. So here you can see that different options are there in this. So I am choosing import data option. So it's working on. So okay, make it big. So it is showing welcome to SQL Server import and export wizard. So using this wizard we can import the data as well as we can export. So for our requirement we are doing just import only. So click on next. First here we need to choose the what is the data source. Okay, so I think so here in my case Microsoft Excel is the data source, and also we need to give the what is the location where the file is existing. Okay, my file is existing, so let me close it before importing. So my file existing in the desktop. Okay, so data source is Microsoft Excel. This is the Excel file path and this is the version. Click on next. So here we need to give the destination. Okay, so what is the destination? So basically here we can see that different types of destinations are there, but as per my requirement I am using some Microsoft OLTP provider for SQL Server. Okay, so here we need to mention a couple of options from which server you want to load this Excel file. So I had to specify that server name and also what kind of authentication, whether you want to go for a Windows authentication or SQL Server authentication. After that, which database you want to load. So for timing everything is ready, so just click on next. So here also two options. I'm going for first option. Click on next. So here we can select what tables you want to import into SQL Server database. My case 1, 2, 3. I'm just a demo purpose. I'm using all tables. I'm selecting. So if you want, we can preview also, edit mappings. We can do whatever you want. So for timing, I'm not clicking anything. Just click on next. So it will come. So I think it's not responding. Okay. So here, so do you want to run immediately or save SSIS package? So I want to run immediately. Okay, just next. So click on finish. So it is showing the what is the status, so which files are loaded or not. It will show everything in detail. It's very fast also. Okay, see how the records are inserting. You can see here, very fast. Still it's loading. Okay, now you can see that. So what are the sheets we have selected, everything loaded successfully in SQL Server database. We'll try to verify that is also. Just click on close. So try to refresh it. So go to tables. Now you can see that, see orders, people's returns. Okay, what are the data available? So in Excel file everything loaded into SQL Server database without using SQL Server integration service. If you want, we can test also, no problem. Just drag one table. So select start from table and click on execute. Now you can see that. Okay, so whatever data available in Excel file, same data load into SQL Server database also. Likewise, we can import Excel files into SQL Server database. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.